Are you tired of waking up every day feeling stuck? Are you done making excuses while life passes you by? Today, right now, you have a choice. Stay the same or take control. Imagine waking up tomorrow with everything aligned, everything working for you. Like the universe finally said, it's your turn. No more blaming the past, no more waiting for the perfect moment. Why wait for tomorrow when today is screaming for action? Can you feel that fire inside you? That's not fear, that's your future calling. One decision, one moment, can change everything. Are you ready to stop surviving and start thriving? This isn't about magic luck or waiting for permission. It's about standing up, stepping out, and saying, I refuse to fail. Every excuse you made yesterday ends here. Every I can't melts away when you commit to do, not think, not hope, just act. Your life isn't broken, it's unfinished, and the pen is in your hand. So, what will you write today? Will you keep drifting, or will you ignite the storm that carries you forward? The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking, and the world doesn't pause for anyone. You felt the frustration, the pain, the endless almosts. But what if all of that could flip in one day? One bold move, one refusal to settle, one action that screams, I'm done waiting. Can you imagine looking back tonight knowing you finally started, knowing you finally decided that you're worth it? No more, maybe later. No more excuses. Your life is calling, but only if you pick up. Only if you move. Only if you do or die. Do you know how many days you've lost waiting for the perfect moment? Every excuse you make is a chain that keeps you stuck, tied to nothing but regret. I don't have time. How long will you hide behind that lie? Time is the one thing no one gives back. You either use it or it uses you. I'm not ready yet. Who decides what ready even means? Life doesn't wait for readiness. It rewards the brave who step anyway. I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year. Procrastination is a thief. It steals your energy, your focus, your future. I don't know enough. Knowledge is endless. Action creates mastery. Stop hiding behind learning. Every expert started as a beginner who moved first. I'm too tired. Energy comes from action, not rest. Movement sparks motivation. Sitting only makes your dreams colder, further away. I'll fail. Failure is proof you're trying. Excuses are proof you're afraid. Fear wins only when you let it speak louder than your will. I don't have support. You are enough to begin. Waiting for approval is waiting to stay small. True strength comes from yourself. I can't afford it. Resources follow action. Start where you are with what you have. The first step always costs courage, not cash. I'll start when I feel motivated. Motivation is a visitor, not a guide. Discipline and action carry you even when feelings disappear. Every excuse is a story you tell yourself to avoid discomfort. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Discomfort is where growth begins. You've wasted hours scrolling, overthinking, and talking yourself out of it. What if all that energy went into one bold move instead? One decision to act? Excuses are easy. Action is hard. That's why winners are rare. They face the grind, embrace the struggle, and refuse to let fears speak for them. Look in the mirror. Who is holding you back? The answer is staring right back. Your life belongs to you, not your doubts. Every excuse is a silent surrender to your current situation. Every but is a chain that says, I accept less than I deserve. Stop arguing with yourself. Stop negotiating with your fears. Step into the uncomfortable. Step into the unknown. That's where life begins. How long will you let life drift past you? Every second you wait, someone else is living the life you're dreaming of. Stop wishing for change and start claiming it. Your life isn't a story to watch. It's a story to write. No one will hand you success on a silver plate. You have to reach out, grab it, and refuse to let go. Saying someday is the easiest way to stay small. Someday is a trap. Today is the only day that matters. What would happen if you made a decision right now? One choice can flip everything. One step can start the avalanche. Don't wait for confidence, motivation, or perfect timing. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. Your dreams are not polite. They won't wait for permission. Every moment you delay, the distance between you and your goals grows. You can complain about your circumstances, or you can change them. Complaining keeps you weak. Choosing keeps you alive. You've survived your struggles. But surviving isn't enough. It's time to thrive, to own every second, to take every chance. No more blaming the world, the system, or your past. Those are stories, not reality. Reality is what you make today. Do you feel the power in this moment? That's not coincidence. That's opportunity knocking, and it won't wait. Your excuses are loud, but your potential is louder. Let your actions drown out every doubt, every fear, every "I can't." Imagine looking back 1 year from now, knowing you started today. Would you regret waiting, or would you celebrate your courage? Every great life begins with a single decision to act. Every empire, every dream, every breakthrough started with today, not yesterday. Stop waiting for validation, for support, for the perfect plan. You are enough. Your move is enough. Your decision is enough. The clock is ticking, and opportunity is patient only with the bold. It doesn't care about excuses. It rewards those who step forward by 30. Are you ready to stop drifting and start steering? Your life is your ship, your hands are the wheel, and today is the wind. Every hesitation is a chance lost. Every delay is a battle surrendered. Take control, claim your time, and own your life before it slips away. Your future isn't in the stars, it's in your actions. Today is your only guarantee, and today is yours to own. Have you ever realized how one choice can change your life forever? One decision can turn a day of struggle into a lifetime of victory. Think about it. Every success story started with a single yes. Every failure started with a single no that stopped someone from trying. Are you waiting for permission to start? The only permission you need is your own. Decide, and the world follows. One step, one move, one moment of courage can flip the script. Everything you have been dreaming of begins with that first action. Do you feel stuck? Do you feel lost? That's exactly the moment your decision is most powerful. You don't need to know the whole path. You just need to take the first step. Direction comes from movement, not from hesitation. One "I will" is stronger than 1,000 "I wish." Commit to your action, and the universe rearranges to make it possible. Think of the people who inspire you. They didn't wait for a sign. They decided to move and never looked back. You can overthink, overplan, or overexcuse yourself. Or you can act, and one action can create a chain reaction that changes everything. What if today you chose to stop being small? What if you decided that nothing will hold you back again touring? One bold decision shakes the ground beneath your fears. It silences doubt and wakes up courage you didn't know existed. Every regret starts with hesitation. Every missed opportunity begins with delay. One decision today can prevent a lifetime of what-ifs. You felt the weight of uncertainty, the pressure of life's limits. A single choice to act lifts that weight instantly. Do you want to be the person who waits or the person who moves? One decision separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Action is not just about doing, it's about declaring who you are. One choice today tells the world and yourself that you refuse to settle. Think about the life you want, see it clearly, then make the decision to go after it, no matter how scary it feels. Every moment of courage compounds. Every small step grows into momentum, and momentum turns a single decision into unstoppable progress. You've waited for miracles, for luck, for a break, but one conscious decision is the true miracle, the break you've been looking for. Decide to move forward even when fear is screaming. Decide to act even when the path is unclear. Your whole life can pivot on one decision. The question is, will you make it or let it pass? How many hours have you spent thinking instead of doing? Thinking alone will never move you closer to your goals. Every idea in your head is useless without action. Plans are dreams until you take the first step forward. Do you wait for the perfect strategy or perfect timing? Perfection is an illusion. Action is real. Stop debating in your mind what you should do. The world doesn't reward thoughts, it rewards results. Every second you spend thinking is a second wasted. Action teaches you what thoughts never can. Do you want progress or comfort? Comfort comes from thinking. Progress comes from doing. Ideas create hope, but action creates reality. You cannot build your life in your head. You must build it with your hands. Every person who's achieved greatness started with action. They didn't wait to feel ready. They moved and readiness followed. You've imagined success 1,000 times. Now it's time to live it, not just picture it. Overthinking is the enemy of results. Doubt and fear thrive when you delay action. Do you want to stay stuck in the what-ifs? Or do you want to discover what happens when you finally act? Action is not about speed, it's about consistency. One small step every day compounds into unstoppable momentum. You can plan endlessly, but plans without movement are meaningless. Movement, even imperfect, creates lessons, skills, and growth. Have you been waiting for inspiration to strike? Action creates inspiration. It sparks energy, motivation, and confidence. Thinking too much creates chains around your potential. Action shatters them and sets you free. Every expert, every successful person, every winner started with doing, not thinking, not planning, doing with firm. Do you want to be known as someone who dreamed or someone who delivered? The difference is simple. One takes action, the other waits. Stop convincing yourself you need more information. You have enough now. Start where you are. Action is a teacher, a builder, and a weapon against fear. It turns doubt into clarity, weakness into strength. Do you feel stuck because you're thinking too much? Then move. One step, one task, one action. That's all it takes. Your life is waiting for hands, not thoughts. It's waiting for feet, not ideas. It's waiting for action, not hesitation. Every moment you act teaches your mind to trust yourself. Every step builds courage, confidence, and unstoppable momentum. Have you ever doubted your own value? Do you ever feel like giving up because it's too hard? You are worth more than the fear holding you back. You are stronger than every obstacle in your path. Every struggle you have faced has built your strength. Every setback has sharpened your will. Do you want to stay small or rise to your full power? You were born to fight for the life you deserve. Stop listening to the voice that says, "I can't." It's lying. You can, and you will, if you decide. Every champion has faced moments of doubt. The difference is they refuse to quit, even when it hurt. Do you think success comes to those who wait? No, it comes to those who fight for it every single day. You've survived pain, rejection, and disappointment. That proves you already have what it takes to win. Your worth isn't measured by what others give you. It's measured by how fiercely you protect your dreams. Are you tired of feeling invisible? Then make yourself impossible to ignore. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's acting despite the fear, acting because you know you are worth it. Do you feel weak sometimes? Good, that's the moment to stand taller, fight harder, and prove yourself. You've sacrificed, struggled, and fought silently. Now it's time to fight openly, boldly, unapologetically. Every "I can't" is a challenge waiting to be crushed. Every "too hard" is a test of your strength, your heart, your fire. You are the only one who can claim your worth. No one else can fight for your dreams better than you. Do you want to look back with pride or regret? Your actions today decide that future. Stop thinking you're not enough. You are more than enough. You are unstoppable. Every battle you face is an opportunity to rise. Every challenge is a chance to prove to yourself how strong you are. Do you feel like quitting? That's exactly when you must push harder, fight longer, refuse to bend. Your life is your arena and you are the warrior. Every day you survive is proof. Every day you fight is victory. You face storms, obstacles, and doubts. And still, here you are, breathing, fighting, capable of more than you know. Do not accept a life smaller than your potential. Every step forward, every battle faced, every risk taken is a reminder you are worth every ounce of effort, every drop of sweat,